Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. Today, let us learn 45 names of diseases or sicknesses in Dinka language. 45 names of diseases or sicknesses in Dinka language. Let us begin from number 1. 1. Twang. Twang means sickness or disease. Number 2, twang twang. Twang twang mean sicknesses or diseases. Acorpo. Acorpo mean nausea. We call it acorpo, nausea. Dry. Dry mean fever. Gargan. Gargan mean jaundice, which mean yellowing skin. Number 6, burjung. Burjung mean chicken pox. Chicken pox. Number 7, tongol. Tongol mean whooping cough. Whooping cough. Number 8, agwatpo. Agwatpo mean pneumonia. Pneumonia mean agwatpo in Dinka language. Number 9, nyanyel. Nyanyel mean lung tuberculosis. Lung tuberculosis. Nyanyel. Chernin. Chernin mean cataracts. Cataracts. Number 11, let. Let mean hernia. Let hernia. Number 12, aboasir. Aboasir mean hemorrhage. Hemorrhage. Aboasir. Number 13, nook. 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 Nook mean convulsion. Convulsion. Nook. Kidiin topat nook. 14, munyaboy. Munyaboy mean infertile man. Infertile man mean munyaboy. Number 15, tingrol. Tingrol mean infertile or barren woman. Infertile or barren woman. Tingrol. Number 16, arem gop. Arem gop or arem gop mean body pain. Body pain, you have pain in your body. Arem gop. Number 17, nyintok. Nyintok. Nyintok mean conjunctivitis. 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 Conjunctivitis mean nyintok in Dinka. Nyintok. Nyin mean the word nyin mean I talk. That is conjunctivitis. Number 18, try. Try mean dropsy. Number 19, mangok. Mangok. Mangok mean meningitis. Meningitis mean mangok. Meningitis. Number 20, malengdit. Malengdit. Malengdit mean smallpox. Smallpox. Malengdit is called smallpox. Number 21, adarwal. Adarwal. Adarwal mean HIV AIDS. HIV AIDS mean adarwal. 22, BU. BU mean gonorrhea. Gonorrhea. Number 23, biar or bog. Biar or bog means syphilis. Syphilis. 24, lagrium. Lagrium mean hematuria. Hematuria. Sorry guys. Hematuria. Hematuria mean lagrium. When you urinate blood. Hematuria. Lagrium. This is a medical term. Sorry guys. 25, boot. Boot mean swelling. Swelling. Boot. Boot. Boot or boot swelling. Boot group. Number 26, Yang Riam. Yang Riam mean bloody diarrhea or dysentery. Bloody diarrhea or dysentery. You see dysentery, bloody diarrhea. Number 27, Arnum. Arnum mean headache. Headache. Number 28, a tick tick. A tick tick mean hiccups. Hiccups. A tick tick. Number 29, theme. Theme mean sneezing. Sneezing. You are sneezing. Theme. Number 30, talk. Talk mean unconscious. Unconscious. Talk. Number 31, all. All mean coughing. Like what I did before. Sorry guys. Coughing. All. Number 32, ngok or ngok ngok. Ngok ngok or ngok mean vomiting. Vomiting. You are vomiting. Ngok or ngok ngok. Number 33, terbe. Terbe. Terbe mean miscarriage. Miscarriage. Miscarriage, to remove our the pointers. Small baby. Miscarriage. Terbe in Dinka. Number 34, Juan womb. Juan womb mean running nose. The term joy mean sickness or disease. Who mean nose. That mean running nose. Number 35, adul. Adul. Adul mean kyphosis, or you call it round back. Round back. Adul. Ran adul. Ran adul. 36, Yan Pew. Yan Pew mean watery diarrhea. Watery diarrhea. Yan Pew. 37, Arimpo or Arimpo. Arimpo or Arimpo mean heart pain. Heart pain. You have pain in your heart. Number 38, which is a very important word to know, nulliferous. Nulliferous. Nulliferous mean woman who never give birth. Woman who never give birth. So, how do you call that woman in Dinka? Comment it below here. Let me see. 39, Aboy. Aboy. Aboy mean Enush. Enush. 40, Pierre Yich. Pierre Yich or Pierre Yich mean stomach bloating. Stomach bloating. Pierre Yich or Pierre Yich. Number 41, Utok. Utok. Utok mean wound. Utok mean wound. Utok mean wound. Number 42, Queer. Queer. Queer mean bleeding. Bleeding. You are bleeding. The blood is bleeding. Queer irium. Queer irium mean bleeding blood. Bleeding blood. Oh guys, here is your work. 44, constipation. Constipation mean what in Dinka? Write it here. Constipation. Number 45, abortion. Abortion mean what in Dinka? Write it here, guys. Yenakan. Yenakan mean the hen. Nyalik Kawek. Nyalik Kawek mean God's with you, guys. By William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Pyo Tong Yang or Tong Yang. Please, you go subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV. Go and subscribe there and share our videos to your loved one. You also go to our Facebook page. It's called Dinka Awil Dialogue, or Facebook page name Dinka Learning Class. These are our two pages in Facebook. You can get us there. You will get the videos, and you will also get this information there if you want. So guys, please, if you are new in this channel we are only teaching Dinka language, which is one of the local language widely spoken in South Sudan. One day, if you are willing to come to South Sudan, you might be lucky to speak with the locals with using Dinka language. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of learning Dinka learning family. Thank you. Wigaya lech Dorniali Kawek Kuyania Ian William Majak Malek Ding. Nyali Kawek. Bye. Thank you so much.